Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach about Chebyshev filter. So the Chebyshev low pass filter has a magnitude response of h of modulus of h of j omega is equal to a divided by 1 plus epsilon square into cn square into omega divided by omega c the whole power 0.5. Here a is the filter gain, epsilon and cn is the constant, and omega c is the cutoff frequency. This is the graph for the magnitude response of the Chebyshev filter. Generally, the magnitude response of the Chebyshev filter has equiripple pass band and maximal stop band. Equiripple pass band and maximum stop band. When you are increasing the order of the filter, it approximates the ideal response. The response of the Chebyshev filter approximates the ideal response, and the phase response of the Chebyshev filter is non-linear when compared to the Butterworth filter. Now we can see the design specifications. That is, the design parameter for the Chebyshev low pass filter is, first the range is del 1 less than or equal to magnitude of h of j modulus of h of e power j omega less than or equal to 1. The range is 0 less than or equal to omega less than or equal to omega 1. Then magnitude of h of e power j omega less than or equal to del 2 omega 2 less than or equal to omega less than or equal to pi. The value of epsilon is equal to 1 by del 1 square minus 1 to the whole power 0.5. Here the omega c is equal to omega 1, that is cutoff frequency equal to omega 1. Order of the filter n greater than or equal to cos h inverse of 1 by epsilon into 1 by del 2 square minus 1 the whole power 0.5 divided by cos h inverse of omega 2 divided by omega 1. The value of omega 1 and omega 2 can be found by either bilinear transformation method or impulse invariant method. So we know the formula for bilinear transformation, that is omega is equal to omega by t into the omega is equal to omega by t is for impulse invariant method, and for bilinear transformation omega is equal to 2 by t into tan omega divided by 2. Next we have the transfer function, that is h of s equal to pi k is equal to 1 to n by 2 bk into omega c square divided by s square plus bk into omega cs plus ck into omega c square. This formula is for even value, that is when the order of the filter is even, we have this formula. When the order of the filter is odd, we have the formula as h of s equal to b naught into omega c divided by s plus c naught into omega c into pi k is equal to 1 to n minus 1 divided by 2 into bk into omega c square divided by s square plus bk into omega cs plus ck into omega c square. Next, the coefficients bk and ck can be found by the formula bk is equal to 2yn into sine of 2k minus 1 into pi divided by 2n, and ck can be found by the formula yn square plus cos square of 2k minus 1 into pi divided by 2n. Here c naught is equal to yn. So yn we have the formula yn equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by epsilon square plus 1 the whole power 0.5 plus 1 by epsilon the whole power 1 by n minus 1 by epsilon square plus 1 the whole power 0.5 plus 1 by epsilon the whole power minus 1 by n. Next we can find the value of bk. The parameter bk can be found by the formula a divided by 1 plus epsilon square power 0.5 is equal to pi, k is equal to 1 to n by 2 bk divided by ck for even value, and for odd value a is equal to pi k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 divided by 2 bk divided by ck. Now we can see a problem on Chebyshev filter, design of Chebyshev filter. Okay, the question is design a Chebyshev filter, digital Chebyshev filter satisfies the following constraints, that is 0.707 less than or equal to h of e power modulus of h of e power j omega less than or equal to 1. The range is 0 less than or equal to omega less than or equal to 0.2 pi, and modulus of h of e power j omega is less than or equal to 0.1, and the range is 0.5 pi less than or equal to omega less than or equal to pi. Use bilinear transformation t is equal to 1 second. Okay, for these questions, first we have to write the given data. What is given in the question? We have to write first. Okay, the given data first is, when comparing the design specification with this question, design specification of Chebyshev filter with this question, we get del 1 is equal to 0.707. In the place of del 1, we have 0.707, and in the place of del 2 we have 0.1. So del 2 is equal to 0.1, and in the place of omega 1 we have 0.2 pi, and we have to find omega 1 and omega 2, and in the place of omega 2 we have 0.5 pi. Here we have to use bilinear transformation. So we know the formula, omega is equal to 2 by t tan 0.2 pi divided omega divided by 2, that is 0.2 pi divided by 2. Here the value of t is given, that is 1 second. So we are putting here 1, so the value is 0.650. Generally we know that omega 1 value is equal to the cutoff frequency, that is omega c. Similarly we have to find omega 2, that is 2 by t into tan omega divided by 2. In the omega place you write 0.5 pi, that is given in the question. So omega 2 value is 2. Next we have to find the value of constant, that is epsilon. So epsilon formula we know, 1 by del 1 square minus 1 the whole power 0.5. So 1 by del 1 square is 1 by 0.707 square minus 1 the whole power 0.5. The value is equal to 1. When you put it directly in the calculator you will get 1. Next step is we have to find the value of n, that is we have to find the order of the filter. Okay, so n greater than or equal to cos h inverse of 1 by epsilon into 1 by del 2 square minus 1 the whole power 0.5 divided by cos h inverse into omega 2 divided by omega 1. So in the next step substitute the values. Cos h inverse of, we know that epsilon value is 1 and del 2 square is 0.1, and here omega 2 value is 2 and omega 1 value is 0.665. First of all you calculate this value by putting in calculator, and afterwards you can calculate the value of cos of h inverse. This value will give you have to put the value of cos of h inverse of this value. So you will get the answer easily. The value is 2.988 divided by 1.790. So it is equal to greater than or equal to 1.67. So that we can take it as 2. So the order of the filter is 2. Next we can find the value of transfer function. Here the value of the order of the filter, that is the order of the filter value is even, that is n equal to 2. So we have the transfer function formula, h of s equal to pi k is equal to 1 to n divided by 2 into bk omega c square divided by s square plus bk into omega cs plus ck into omega c square. Now substitute the value of n. So you will get 2. Here 2 divided by 2 is 1. So pi k is equal to 1 into, you substitute the value of k equal to 1. So you will get b1 omega c square divided by s square plus b1 into omega cs plus c1 into omega c square. Here omega c value, that is we have already find out the value of omega 1, that is cutoff frequency value is 0.650. Cutoff frequency is equal to omega 1, so 0.650. Next we have to find the parameters bk and ck. Substitute the values in the given formula, that is a divided by 1 plus epsilon square the whole power 0.5, that is equal to pi k is equal to 1 to n by 2 into bk divided by ck. Substitute the values, so you will get 1 by 1 plus 1 in power 0.5, that is epsilon value is 1, then that is equal to pi k is equal to 1 b1 c1. So the ratio of b1 divided by c1, b1 and c1 is 0.707. Next we have to find the value of yn. Yn also we have the formula, yn is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by epsilon square plus 1 the whole power 0.5 plus 1 by epsilon the whole power 1 by n minus 1 by epsilon square plus 1 the whole power 0.5 plus 1 by epsilon the whole power minus 1 by n. So when you are substituting the values, you will get yn is equal to 0.455. Next we should find ck parameter. Okay, ck is equal to yn square plus cos square into 2k minus 1 into pi divided by 2n. So yn value is 0.455. So c1 is equal to k is equal to 1. Because it is even value, so we will get only k value, that is k is equal to 1. So c1 is equal to 0.55 the whole square plus cos square into pi by 4, that value is 0.707. So when you are substituting this value here, you will get b1 is equal to 0.5. So the remaining part we can see in the next class. That's all. Thank you.